Transform your outreach and convert more leads by mastering email marketing with Systemaio's powerful, all-in-one platform. First, let's build your audience. Navigate to the contact section in your Systemaio dashboard to create a new contact list. Give your list a descriptive name, perhaps related to your niche or a specific offer, and save it. This is where all your subscribers will be organized, making it easy to segment and target. Next, we'll set up an automated sequence to welcome new subscribers. Go to Funnels and create a new funnel. Choose a template that fits your business, like a simple sales funnel. This will be the framework for your email capture and delivery. Within your funnel, you'll have a capture page and an opt-in email. This opt-in email is the very first communication a new subscriber receives. We'll design this to be engaging and informative, setting the tone for your relationship. Now, let's design your email. Click on the opt-in email step and enter the email editor. Systemaio offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface. Add a compelling subject line, personalize a greeting with the contact's name, and craft your message. You can easily add text blocks, images to make it visually appealing, and calls to action like buttons to direct your subscribers. To automate this process, head to the automation rules section for your funnel. Set a trigger, such as contact added to a funnel, and an action, like send email. This ensures that as soon as someone opts in, they automatically receive your beautifully designed welcome email without any manual intervention. Beyond the welcome, you'll want to manage ongoing campaigns. Navigate to the Campaigns tab here. You can create new email marketing campaigns for broadcasts, newsletters, or even more advanced sequences. Define your target audience, schedule your sends, and monitor your campaign performance through built-in analytics to continually refine your strategy and boost engagement.